Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to explain you exercise 4.5 from the chapter polynomials. So previous problems I have solved in my previous video. You can check it out in my channel. So now let us start this. Factorize each of the following. So before going to start this problem, let me tell you, you should remember this identity. That means here I have written as note. So x cube plus y cube always will be equals to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square, and x cube minus y cube is equals to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Okay, so in order to solve this problems you have to remember this. So I have written as note, just take it down. So here you can see the first problem here is 27y cube plus 125z cube, right? So now here you can see this is in the form of x cube plus y cube, isn't it? So here I have given the value of x cube plus y cube now. So this can be written as 27y cube can be written as, how you can write this? So this can be written as 3y the whole cube, because see here 3 into 3 is 9, 9 3 is a 27 you are getting, right? So this can be written as 3y the whole cube, plus here also the same thing, that is 5 5 is a 25, 25 5 is again 125. So for that sake 5z the whole cube. So now we know that this is in the form of now which identity? X cube plus y cube, that will be is equals to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square, isn't it? So now here in place of x, which value is there? Just substitute 3y the whole cube plus 5z the whole cube. So this will be is equals to, so in place of x here 3y is there, I am going to substitute this value over here, and in place of y here 5z is there, right? So 5z, so again 3y the whole square minus, in place of x again 3y, and in place of y here 5z is there, plus 5z the whole square. So this will be is equals to 3y plus 5z. So here you can see 3y the whole square. So what you can write over here? 9y square minus, so 5 3s are 15yz plus, so here you can see 5 5s are 25, 25z square. Okay, so now this is your final answer. So now we'll move on to the next question. The next question is here, second one, that is 64m cube minus 343n cube. Okay, so now see here 64m cube and 343n cube, right? So now this is in the form of x cube minus y cube identity, right? So now we know that x cube minus y cube will be is equals to, so at first no, you just simplify this. Okay, so this 64m cube and 343n cube, so these are the perfect cube of which number you have to identify first. So here you can see 64 is there, no, it is the perfect cube of the number 4, that is 4 4s are 16 and 16 4s are 64. Okay, so what you can write over here, that is here 4m the whole cube. So this can be written as 4m the whole cube minus, so now 343, yes, so 343 is the perfect cube of the number 7. So 7 7s are 49 and 49 7s are again 343. So for that sake in place of 343 I am going to write here 7m the whole cube. Okay, so now you can easily say that this is in the form of x cube minus y cube identity. So x cube minus y cube, I told you the formula, that is nothing but here x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Okay, so now this can be written as, so in place of x here 4m the whole cube minus 7m the whole cube. Okay, so sorry 7n the whole cube. So this will be is equals to, in place of x here which number is there? 4m, and in place of n here 7n, right? So 4m minus 7n. So here again the same thing, that is 4m the whole square plus 4m into 7n, because x into y is there, right? Plus 7n the whole square. So this will be is equals to 4m minus 7n. So here 4m the whole square is there, that is nothing but 16m square plus, so you can write over here, that is when you multiply this 7 and 4 you are going to get 28 emn plus 7 7s are 49 n square. Okay, so this is your final answer. So the next question is here. So factorize 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. Okay, so by looking at this problem we can easily judge that this is in the form of which identity. Like the last identity, I think x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Okay, so now this can be written as, so 27x cube is there, no, this can be written as 3x the whole cube plus y cube plus z cube. So now this one we have to convert in the form of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Okay, so now here you can see 3x the whole cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3 into xyz, right? So in place of x here you can see 3x is there, right? So for that sake, in place of x I am going to write 3x and y and z. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3 into x into y into z. So now this is in the form of this identity, right? So we know that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equals to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay, so now what you have to do, just substitute, go on substitute all this value in this. Okay, so this will be is equals to, so now here you can see x plus this one. Okay, so x plus y plus z, that means here in place of x 3x is there, and in place of y only, and in place of z z. Okay, so x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square, that means 3x the whole square plus y as it is and z as it is, because here you can see the value of y and z same only. Okay, so but the value of x is here 3x, so minus 3x into y minus y into z minus z into 3x. Okay, so here nothing, here in place of x I am substituting only 3x, because here in place of x here 3x is there, no, so for that sake in place of x I am substituting 3x over here. So this will be is equals to 3x plus y plus z into 3x the whole square means 9x square plus y square plus z square, so minus 3xy minus yz minus 3zx. So this is your final answer. So now let us move on to the next question, that is 12th one. Verify that. So what you have to verify here, we'll see. Verify that, the question will write here x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz will be is equals to half of x plus y plus z into x minus y the whole square plus y minus z the whole square plus z minus x the whole square. Okay, so now what you have to do here is, first you have to consider the RHS, that means the right hand side of this question you have to consider. So right hand side you have to simplify and you should get the answer as x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Okay, so now let us consider right hand side of this question. Okay, that is nothing but here 1 by 2, consider RHS, that means right hand side, 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z into x minus y the whole square plus y minus z the whole square plus z minus x the whole square. Okay, so now this will be is equals to, so now this 1 by 2 is there, no, just multiply this to all these terms. Okay, so what it will be, x by 2 plus y by 2 plus z by 2. Okay, so I am taking this 1 by 2 inside, so that means I am multiplying this 1 by 2 to this whole bracket. So what you are getting, x by 2, y by 2 and z by 2. So after that what is remaining here, we'll simplify this. So now you can see here this is in the form of which identity? Like x minus y the whole square is nothing but x square minus 2xy plus y square. Okay, so same as that you have to simplify. X square minus 2xy plus y square. So here also the same thing, but in place of x and y, here they have given as y and z. So just simplify. Y square minus 2yz plus z square. Okay, again the last bracket is there, no? Z minus x is the whole square, the same thing. Z square minus 2zx plus x square. Okay, so now again what you have to do here is, so just open this bracket. Okay, what you're going to get, this will be is equals to x by 2 plus y by 2 plus z by 2 into x square minus 2xy plus y square plus y square minus 2yz plus z square plus z square minus 2zx plus x square. I'm opening this bracket. Okay, so directly I'm going to write x by 2 plus y by 2 plus z by 2. So see here, x square and x square 2 times, right? So for that sake, when you add this, you are going to get 2x square, and next here you can see y square and y square 2 times, that is 2y square, and z square and z square 2 times. I'm going to write it as 2z square. When I'm going to add z square plus z square, I'm getting here 2z square. Okay, so after that what is remaining? Minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx. Okay, so now this will be is equals to, okay, so now here you can see this will be is equals to what is remaining here, this one, right? So this x by 2 to this whole bracket. So here you can see how to multiply these two terms, you know, right? So how you have to consider the first term of this and multiply to hold this bracket, and here also the same thing, that is y by 2 and multiply this to the whole bracket, z by 2 multiply this to the whole bracket. So x by 2 into this all terms, 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx. So the continuation part I'm going to write over here, that is the second term you have to consider now, y by 2 and multiply to the same bracket, 2x square 2y square plus 2z square minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx. Okay, plus, and continuation part, the last term you have to multiply to the same thing, that is z by 2 into 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square minus 2xy minus 2yz and minus 2zx. Okay, so now this will be is equals to, so now just see here, all the 2 will get cancelled over here, right? So when you will multiply all the terms to this, all the 2 will get cancelled. That means, so here you can see x by 2 into 2x square, that means 2 and 2 will get cancelled. What is remaining? X cube will be remaining, x into x square, x cube will be remaining, plus, so here what is remaining? 2y square x, 2y square x plus, again the same thing, everything you have to write over here, that is, so now see here, 2 no need because already we have cut it, right? So when you'll take this 2 inside, all the 2 will get cancelled, right? So 2x square divided by 2, here also the 2y square divided by 2, 2 will get cancelled. Okay, only just consider the variables over here, that is y square into x, y square x, and 2 and 2 will get cancelled. What is remaining? Z square x. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. What is remaining? Minus x square y. Here also 2 and 2 will get cancelled. What is remaining? Minus xyz. Here also 2 and 2 will get cancelled. What is remaining? Minus 2zx square plus. So here also the same thing, 2 everywhere, 2 will get cancelled. So what is remaining? Just multiply. Y into x square is x square y y cube plus z square y minus xyz. So next thing is what? Minus 2 will get cancelled again, xyz. Okay, so minus xyz already here finished. Z square y, z square y and xy square. See here, this one xy into y is nothing but xy square, and here yz into y is nothing but yz into y square z. At last you can see zx into y is nothing but here xyz. Okay, so the last bracket I am going to simplify here. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. What is remaining? X square z plus y square z plus z square into z is nothing but z cube minus 2 and 2 will get cancelled again, xyz minus yz square minus 2 and 2 will get cancelled, z square x. Okay, so now here you can see plus y square x and minus xy square will get cancelled, z square x and minus z square x will get cancelled, x square y minus x square y plus x square y will get cancelled, and 2 is not there, no, zx square minus zx square and plus zx square will get cancelled. So here what is remaining? Plus z square y and minus z square y will get cancelled. Okay, sorry, z square y. So what is remaining? Plus y square z and minus y square z will get cancelled. So here everything will get cancelled. Plus z square y and minus yz square. Here y square z and plus y square z will get cancelled, right? So what is remaining? The remaining terms are x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus xyz minus xyz and minus xyz. Okay, so this will be is equals to x cube plus y cube plus z cube. So minus 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 and 1 1 1, that is 3 xyz as it is. So this will be our left hand side of this question. So this will be the proof. Okay, so now we'll see the next question now. That is, so before going to start this problem, let me tell you, if x plus y plus z is equals to 0, okay, if x plus y plus z is equals to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube always will be is equals to 3xyz. Okay, so now we'll see here how to prove that if x plus y plus z is equals to 0, then you have to prove that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equals to 3xyz. Okay, so now we know that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz identity. Yes, so we know this identity, that is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, isn't it? So that will be is equals to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz and minus zx. Okay, so you know this identity, right? So what you have to do here is, here the condition they have given, that is x plus y plus z is equals to 0. So if x plus y plus z is equals to 0, then you have to show that this will be is equals to 3xyz. Okay, so now what you have to do here is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz will be is equals to, we know that x plus y plus z is equals to 0. So 0 into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay, so now here you can see again x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz will be is equals to 0 into any number is always 0, isn't it? So x cube plus y cube plus z cube will be is equals to. So now here minus 3xyz is there. So it will come here, means it will become plus 3xyz. So this is your proof. So here you can easily say that if x plus y plus z is equals to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equals to always 3xyz. Okay. So now we'll move on to the next question. So here the 14th question, without actually calculating the cubes, find the value of each of the following. So here one condition we have studied, right? If x plus y plus z is equals to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equals to 3xyz, isn't it? So now first, in order to take that note, in order to just apply this formula, what you have to do is you have to check whether x plus y plus z is equals to 0 or no. Okay. So first you have to check whether x plus y plus z you are getting as 0 or no. So after you are getting 0, then you can easily use this identity or this formula. Okay. So what you have to do now, you have to check whether here x value is what? Minus 12, and y value is 7, and z value is 5, right? So you have to check whether this is 0 or no. So x plus y plus z will be is equals to minus 12 plus 7 plus 5. So minus 12 plus 7. Yes, minus 12 plus 7. So which is the bigger number here? Minus 12 minus 7 is 5, that is plus 5. So this will be is equals to minus 5 plus 5 will get cancelled. What is remaining here? 0 is remaining, right? So here you can see x plus y plus z is equals to 0 we got, right? So if x plus y plus z is equals to 0, then you can easily say that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equals to 3xyz, as they have given the question in the form of this, right? So for that sake, what you have to do now, you have to substitute the value of x, y and z in this. Okay, so when you substitute, what you are going to get, that is minus 12x cube, 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. So this will be is equals to 3 into, in place of x here minus 12, and in place of 7 here, in place of y here 7, and in place of z here 5. So when you will multiply this, whatever you are getting the answer, that should be in minus sign, because here you can see minus 12 is there, right? So minus into plus is always minus. So for that sake, when you will multiply this, what you are going to get? You are going to get 1260. Okay. So now we will move on to the next question. Your next question is here 28 the whole cube plus minus 15 the whole cube plus minus 13 the whole cube. So I told you, right, whenever you are getting this, first you have to check whether x plus y plus z is equals to 0 or no. So if x plus y plus z is equals to 0, then you can easily take this formula. So for that sake, x is equals to here 28, and y is equals to here minus 15, and z is equals to minus 13, right? So when you are going to add this, in order to find x plus y plus z, what you are going to get? 28 minus 15 minus 13. So that will be is equals to 28 minus 28. So that will be is equals to 0. Okay. So you are getting here 0. For that sake, you can easily substitute these values in this identity. That is x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equals to 3xyz. We know this, right? So for that sake, what you have to do now? In place of x, which number is there? 28 the whole cube plus minus 15 the whole cube plus minus 13 the whole cube will be is equals to 3 into minus 15 into 3 into 28 into minus 15 into minus 13. 3xyz. Okay, x into y into z. So here you can see minus minus, minus into minus is plus. So when you will multiply this, you are going to get 16,380. Okay. So thank you for watching my video. Just subscribe my channel in order to receive the notifications for my upcoming video. Thank you.